Why does Box hate me so much? Hello, I'm Justine, also known as Just Sold Out, and today we're talking about the best retail holiday of the year, Black Friday and Cyber Monday. In this video, I'm going to share a few tips and tricks that I use every single Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and then I have recommendations on a few different products that you should definitely pick up this year. All right, let's get started. First off, thank you so much to Merit Beauty for sponsoring this video. If you go to meritbeauty.com, you will find the Black Friday All Access sale between November 23rd through the 27th. Merit Beauty is offering 20% off site-wide on individual products this year. There are daily doorbusters, so make sure you go back to the website every day to make sure you are getting your favorite products for a steal. My sister Jenna and I have been loving Merit Beauty so much. It's just nice to see a cosmetics brand that isn't backed by a celebrity or an influencer, and they're making quality, beautiful products. All the products I've tried are natural, lightweight, moisturizing, which is really good because I got this dry skin. Merit Beauty was nice enough to send over the sangria color of their shade Slick. Essentially, it's this really moisturizing, lightweight lip product. I have it on right now. I just love how natural it looks, and it's still very vibrant. Also, as we're going into winter, you know you have to hydrate those lips and keep them nice and plump to be looking juicy. The Shade Slick has rose hip oil and shea butter in it to provide that extra moisturizing kick. Merit Beauty also shared their Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, and it is a flawless product if you love to have that little instant glow. This provides a nice, lightweight, hydrating serum that is perfect for moisturizing your skin and really glowing up throughout the day. Be sure to check out their sale because the last day and the final call is on November 28th. Next up, as a content creator, I am always constantly creating videos, photos, so much media. At least once a year, sometimes twice, I do end up buying a hard drive. I have found that over the years, the cheapest time to buy it is Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You can also get a few different discounts and deals on Amazon Prime days, as well as when other companies do different seasonal sales. If you want to pick up a discounted hard drive that you will inevitably pick up later this year or next year, be sure to purchase on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I've left a link for the current products that I am using from Amazon. Next up is Set Active. Lately, because I have started a new job and now I am 100% remote, I decided to invest a little bit more into Set Active. I love their Sculpt Flex line, but I've also recently gotten more into the Luxe Form material as well as the Sport Body. Leading up to this Black Friday deal though, they announced essentially a few weeks of new products, new styles, new limited edition colors coming out. They've been dropping all week with some sizes and some products selling out. I imagine that the website will be very busy on Black Friday, as this is one of the only time all of Set Active goes on sale. To get $10 off your first order of $75 or more, I've left a little discount code, my personal one, in the comments below. Finally, one of my new and favorite brands now is Oak & Fort. Be sure to head over to their website or drop by one of their stores, as they are having 20% off site-wide off all products. If you're a short gal like me, I am 5'4", this place is perfect because all of their pants lengths are made for us. I found that I don't need to hem a single thing anytime I buy product from Oak & Fort. Highly recommend taking a look and purchasing at least a few pairs of pants. I recently bought this beautiful vegan leather cropped pants and they were on sale, and I got the extra 20% off. The 20% off deal has been going on for the past week or two, but it will definitely be applicable on Black Friday, and then everything will go up to normal pricing following this holiday. Let's talk about preparing for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. My strongest recommendation is to load up your cart to pick out the links to the products that you 100% want to buy on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I actually have a note where I just started putting a bunch of random things where I wanted to see if they were going to be discounted for this holiday, check the price on the day. That way, when it becomes Black Friday, I can just wake up, click all these different links, go to the cart that I have already filled instead of wandering, browsing the website, and also probably missing out on my size or a good deal. I found that this has been a seamless experience. Of course, always have your checkout ready to go, have autofill ready with your name, your credit card, all that good info. Anything to really be efficient and productive and really speed up how much time you're spending on the computer on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I would double down and put everything in your cart under your signed in account, and then also make a separate note of those specific product link items just in case, your cookies get refreshed, the website glitches, something happens. I think it's just great to have a backup plan rather than scrambling. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to know what I am purchasing for Black Friday and the little tips and tricks that I use. Let me know in the comments below what you're picking up this year. I know I didn't mention any sneakers because I did pick up the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1. I'm still waiting for them to come in the mail, but shout out to the plug. I appreciate you so much. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.